Tayo naman ay mag-aaral sa arts, nakagagawa ng maskara gamit ang cardboard, glue, pangkulay o makukulay na papel, goma, o iba pang mga material na makikita ninyo sa inyong tahanan kagaya ng mga maskara na makikita sa Maskara Festival ng Bacolod. Nakaranas ka na bang manood ng Maskara Festival? Kung hindi pa, narito ang video ng Barangay Granada ng Bacolod.
Welcome to the City of Smiles.
Napakaganda ng kanilang performance, tama? Kung nais mong mapanood ang buong video, maaari mo itong hanapin sa YouTube. Ito pa ang mga halimbawa ng mga maskara na ginagamit sa Maskara Festival ng Bacolod. Ayan. May mga makukulay at iba't ibang design o disenyo ng maskara na ginagamit sa Maskara Festival. Nais mo bang gumawa ng iyong sariling maskara? Magpatulong kay nanay o tatay, kay ate o kuya, gumawa ng iyong sariling maskara. Para magkaroon ng ideya kung paano gawin ito, maaaring panoorin ang video na ito.
Hello learners! Today we're going to create a paper mask. Mask is an object normally worn on the face, typically for protection, disguise, performance, or entertainment. Are you ready? Let's begin! For this activity, you'll need the following. To create the base of the mask, fold the paper in half. Draw an oval or the half of a face, then cut it. Now fold it once more so that we can draw the eyes. Estimate the space for the forehead, then draw an eye shape about half an inch away from the fold. To cut the shape, you can fold the paper and make a small cut in the middle of the shape, then cut around it. Now you have the eyes. Next step is to draw a line at the top and the bottom of the paper, about 1 inch long, then cut it. Apply glue on one side, then overlap the paper to create a 3D effect for the mask. Now that the base is done, it's time to decorate it. For the hair, you can use any colored paper and cut it into strips. If you want to make the hair curly, you can use a pencil and roll the paper in the pencil. Once your strips are ready, you can glue it in place. For the nose, cut a triangle and fold it in half to make a 3D effect. You can actually change the shape of the nose if you like. Then, glue the mouth in place too. You may use any coloring materials to add designs and details to your mask. You can also use sequins or glitters to add sparkle if it's available. Add more strips of colored paper to make your mask unique and colorful. Once done, take a photo of your work and pass it. Great job, everyone! I'll see you soon! Bye!
Ayan. Maaari ka nang gumawa ng iyong sariling maskara. Hihintayin natin ang mga pictures ng iyong maskara sa ating GC. Yun lang. Maraming salamat.